Hello students, this is Professor here, and today we are going to start with the next topic, and the topic is the factorization of a quadratic polynomial. So what do you mean by quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 2, right? So we will factorize the quadratic polynomial using splitting the middle term. Okay, so we will start doing the sums. Okay, so I believe this we have done in class 8 also, so this is just a revision of that. Okay, so splitting the middle term means, as it is already indicating from the name itself, that we have to break this middle term. Okay, middle term means with the term with p only. Okay, so now what we will do is we will try to split this 6p into two terms such that, okay, now how, that is the main thing. So first you have to see, suppose I am breaking it into two, that is a and b. Okay, suppose they are a and b. So what are the conditions that a and b should follow? Okay, so this is the thing, main thing. So that is how that is what you need to remember. So number one, you have to see the product of this two. Okay, so now here the number is 8 into here, what is the coefficient of p square? You have to see that is 1. That means 8 ones are 8. So means, so the product is 8, right? So now we have to split 6 into two terms in such a way that their product should be 8. That means I have to split 6 into a and b in such a way that a into b should be 8. Okay, so this is the first condition. That means you can write in words like coefficient of x square into constant term. This is constant term, this is the coefficient of x square, or you can say p square here. Okay, is how much? 1, right? So that product should be equals to product of the factors. Factors means we are splitting into two factors, 6 into 2 factors, right? So this is the first condition. Now second condition, you have to see the sign here in front of the constant term. Okay, so it is plus, right? So it is plus means if we add this to, the sum should be the middle term. Okay, so that means sum of the factors should be equals to the middle term. Okay, sum should be equals to middle term. So now can you tell me the two numbers which follows these two conditions? Number one, their product is 8 and their sum is 6. Can you tell me? So that is 4 plus 2, is it? Just I am splitting 6 only. Okay, p will remain as it is. 4 to the 8, so product is 8, addition 4 plus 2, 6. So both the conditions are being followed, right? So that is why this is the splitted term. So next what you will do, you will open the bracket. 4 plus 4 into p, 4p, plus 2 into p, 2p, plus 8. Okay, so now we have done till here. So next what you will do is, now see, here there were 1, 2, 3 terms, right? Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So now you will separate 2 each. That is the first 2 and the last 2. Okay, so now from the first 2 you will see what is common. Common means the number which is present in both the terms. What is it? That is p, right? P is there. Sorry, this is p square. Okay, p is here also, p is here also, right? So 1p I am taking as common. So what will remain inside? From here there were p square, that is 2p were multiplying, no? So 1p will remain, plus from here p is gone, what is remaining? 4. So this is p plus 4, plus now from the last 2, what is common? P is here, p is not here. Here it is 2, here it is 8. So it is how much? I can say 2 is common. Why? Because 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, right? So from here 2 is gone, what is remaining? 4. Plus from here 2 is gone, p is remaining, here it is 8. Okay, so 8, 2 how many times is it? 4 times. So that is why p plus 4. Okay, now from these and this, what is common? From this and this, p plus 4, right? So p plus 4 I am taking as common. Okay, so then from here, if p plus 4 is gone, what is remaining? P. From here, if p plus 4 is gone, what is remaining? Plus 2, right? So this is the factorized form, that is p plus 4 into p plus 2. Okay, so okay, now we'll move to the next sum to make you understand. Okay, so this was number 1. So number 2, the question is q square minus 10q plus 21. So this is the question. So again we have to split the middle term in such a way that, see, their product is how much? 21 into, here it is 1, so 1, 21, product is 21, and there, see the sign in front of the constant term, so plus, that means their sum is how much? Sum is the middle term, that is 10. Okay, so what can you tell me such numbers? Okay, so just try to think, what is it? So I can say it is minus 7 plus 3, because we are talking about sum. 7 plus 3 is 10, sum is 10, 7 into 3 is 21, so product is 21. So this is these are the factors, right? So next what I will do, I will open the bracket, q square. So now as I have been always telling you that as we are opening the bracket with minus sign, the signs inside the bracket will be changed. So in front of 7 it was plus, it will become minus 7q. Here also it will become minus 3q plus 21 equals to, so now first to last two, right? So what is common between these two? Obviously q. So what is remaining here? From q square, q is gone, so 1q is remaining here, minus from 7q, q is gone, 7. So now from here, what is common? I can say 3, but here it is minus, so minus 3. So minus is gone, so what will happen? It will change the sign. Okay, as this is the reverse of this part. If we open the bracket with minus sign, the sign will change. If we take minus common, like in outside the bracket, then also sign will change. Okay, so minus I am taking, minus 3 I am taking, so this will become plus q. So as I am taking minus, this plus will become minus 3 is gone, 3, 7 is 21. So what is common between this and this? Obviously q minus 7, q minus 7. So q minus 7 is common. So what will remain here? If q minus 7 is gone, q. If q minus 7 is gone, minus 3. So this is the factorized form. So q minus 7 into q minus 3. Okay. So next one is p square plus 6p minus 16. Suppose this is the one. Okay. So it is p square minus 16, 6p minus 16. P square plus 6p minus 16. Here, how I have to find the factors? Product is how much? First, product should be 16 into, here also it is 1, so 16. And sum, so see, the sign in front of the constant term is minus. So here we will not take the sum. Here it is minus, so difference. Difference means subtraction. Difference is how much? The middle term itself. Okay. So how will you do? So we have to find, you have to split 6 in such a way that their product is 16 and difference is 6. Means difference means if we subtract, then we should get 6. So what is this? Can I say 8 minus 2? Yes. Why? Because 8 minus 2, difference is 6. And the product, 8 to the 16. Done. So this is how we will do. Okay. So now we will open the bracket. So p square. Now we are opening the bracket with plus sign. So no problem. It will remain as it is. 8 into p. 8p minus 2p minus 16. So now what is common between these two? Now we are splitting into first two and the last two, right? So what is common between these two? P. Isn't it? So p plus 8 between these two, minus is also common, and what else is common? 2. So since we are taking minus common, the signs inside the bracket will be changed. This was minus, this will become plus. So 2 is gone, p is remaining, plus p. From here also it was minus, it will become plus. So 2 is gone, 2 8 is 16. So how much? From this 2 what is common? P plus 8, right? Here also we have p plus 8, here also we have p plus 8. So what is remaining from here? If p plus 8 is gone, p. From here minus 2. So this is the factorized form. Okay, so this is how you will do. Okay, so let me do one more, that is 4x square minus 7x minus 15. Okay, so here so we have to split this 7 into 2 terms in such a way that the product should be how much? Product should be 15 into, here the coefficient is not 1, here it is 4. So 15 into 4, 60. So the product should be 60, right? And the sign in front of the constant term is minus. So here we will not take sum, we will take difference. Difference would be how much? 7. Means if we subtract, then the answer should be 7. So can you tell me such numbers? So we are splitting only 7, so that is why this and this will remain as it is, right? 7. So we have to split 7 in such a way that the product is 60, difference is 7. So can you tell me such number? So I believe it is 12 minus 5 x minus 15. Is it 12 and 5? See, 12 minus 5, that is difference. 12 minus 5 is 7. Difference is 7. So this condition is satisfied. Now what is the second condition? Product should be 60, right? So 12 5s are 60, isn't it? So this is how you will do. So now you will open the bracket. So now we are opening with minus sign. So this was plus, it will become minus 12 into x, 12x. So minus into minus, plus 5x minus 15. So next we will do first two and the last two. From first two what is common? Not only x here. See what else is common. Here I think 4 is also common. So 4x is common. So from here 4x is gone, 4 is gone. From x square, x is gone. So 1x is remaining. Minus here from 12. 4, 3s are 12 and x is gone. From these two what is common? So plus 5 is common, right? So 5. So 5 is gone. X minus 5, 3 is a 15, right? So this will be how much? From this two what is common? X minus 3. Here also we have x minus 3. Here also we have x minus 3. So x minus 3 common. So from here x minus 3 is gone. What is remaining? 4x. And from here x minus 3 is gone. What is remaining? Plus 5. So this is how you will do the factorization. Okay. So with this concept, I want you to do exercise 2.4 number 4. Okay, so all number 4, all questions are your homework. Okay, so in the next video we will try to factorize the cubic polynomial. Okay, so till then you do your homework and see you in the next video.